For today's video, we will discuss which is better, Teespring or Redbubble. Let's begin. Now, both Teespring and Redbubble are popular platforms for artists and designers to sell their artwork and designs on various products, but they have some differences. Let's talk about Teespring. Now, it allows creators to customize and sell a wide range of products, including clothing, like t-shirts, hoodies, accessories, home decor, and more. Now, it often operates on a campaign model where creators set goals for the number of items to sell within a specific time frame. And if the goal is met, the products are manufactured and shipped. Teespring also provides tools to help creators market their product, including social media integrations and analytics to track sales performance. It offers creators more control over pricing and profit margins, allowing them to set their prices based on production cost and desired profits. Now, when speak about Redbubble, this one offers a vast array of products to our artists for them to sell, including clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall arts, and more. And also, it operates on a print-on-demand model, where products are created as orders are received. This means there's no need to set campaign goals. Items are always available for purchase at any time. Redbubble has a strong community aspect and discovery features, allowing artists to connect and share their work. It also uses algorithms to recommend products based on user preferences. Now, Redbubble determines the base prices of products, and creators earn the markup above the base price on the markup percentage that is set by the creator. Now, I have account on both of these platforms, and let me tell you, if you're choosing between them, you have to consider which platforms offers the product you want to sell, right? Because of both platforms, I believe, is really good. And for selling model, I believe Teespring's campaign-based approach might suit for those looking to set specific sales goal, while Redbubble's print-on-demand model offers continuous availability, right? But in terms of control and pricing, I believe Teespring offers more control over pricing, whereas Redbubble determines the base price and creators set their markup. But Redbubble, if you ask me, has a stronger emphasis on community and artist interaction, which might be appealing if you value networking exposure within a community of artists. And once again, the choice between Teespring and Redbubble often depends on your preferences, also from the product type, selling model, pricing control, and community engagement. Some creators even use both platforms simultaneously to maximize their reach and sales opportunities. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.